Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need Windows updated and a stable internet connection. Open Settings now and install any pending updates. Once done, sign into the Microsoft Store with the same Microsoft account used for Xbox and Roblox. Next, reset the store cache. Press Windows key plus R, type WS reset, EXE and run it. Wait until it finishes. While waiting, open PowerShell as administrator and note the store package name so you can re-register the app if reset fails. Also, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and disconnect VPN to avoid installation interference. Now re-register the store and reinstall Roblox so permissions and packages are corrected. Run PowerShell as administrator and execute. Get apps package elusers Microsoft. Windows Store 4H add apps package disable development mode register $. Install location \app x manifest. XML. Next, uninstall Roblox. Get apps package *Roblox remove apps package. Then reboot the PC to clear locks and apply changes. Also clear leftover folders under %local app data %packages to remove corrupted cache and conflicting files. After reinstall, launch Roblox once as administrator to finalize licenses and registry entries. Right-click the app and choose Run as administrator. Make sure Windows Store, Xbox Identity Provider, and related services, Windows Update, Store Service are running, open services. MSC to check and start them if stopped. Finally, test Roblox with a simple place to confirm stability. If it still crashes, troubleshooting tip: create a new Windows user profile and test there. A corrupted profile often causes persistent crashes and isolates whether system or user settings are at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.